name is Traeger, and in this presentation I will be covering the physiology of the abdominal area in the digestive system. The appendix, which has been circled in red on this picture, is a very small organ, so why can it be life-threatening if it ruptures? An appendix is considered life-threatening if it bursts because the appendix holds dangerous bacteria and toxins that, if in the body for too long, can lead to sepsis, which ultimately can lead to death. The purpose of the pyloric sphincter, which has been circled in red in this image, is to control the flow of digested food that leaves the stomach and enters to the duodenum. It is also there to prevent digested food from re-entering the stomach. What could happen if the pyloric sphincter doesn't open fully? Well, if the pyloric sphincter does not open fully, then there could be a backup of food and digestive enzymes in the stomach, which will ultimately affect the process of digestion as a whole. In this image that I have drawn, you can see the multiple different parts of the digestive system. At the very top, we see the liver. Then in red, we see the left and right hepatic ducts. In a lighter blue color, we see the common hepatic duct. In green, the cystic bile duct. In purple, the common bile duct. And then a darker blue, right below the liver, we see the gallbladder. In the next image that I have drawn, you can see the flow of bile, which has been labeled by blue arrows. Bile flows from the liver to the gallbladder, through the cystic bile duct, into the common bile duct, which then connects to the duodenum. If there is a blockage in the cystic duct, is it possible for bile to get to the duodenum? In this image, we see the gallbladder is connected to the cystic duct. The gallbladder contains bile, which then will travel through the cystic duct into the common bile duct, into the duodenum. But if the cystic duct is blocked, then bile will be unable to reach the duodenum. Why does the bile duct and pancreatic duct empty into the duodenum instead of other parts of the small intestine or the large intestine? Well, these two things empty into the duodenum because the duodenum is directly connected to the stomach. The stomach releases very acidic substances, which are then neutralized by the substances secreted from the bile duct and the pancreatic duct, which then change the pH to a healthy, sustainable level. Fat deposits are typically seen in the greater omentum, which is labeled in this image. Why though? I believe that fat deposits collecting in the greater omentum could be used as a way to cushion our organs and to keep our body's organs warm. Every organ is associated with its very own function, such as ligaments that hold organs in place, or the gallbladder that's purpose is to store bile. The pancreas secretes juices and enzymes into the small intestine. The small intestine is the location of water absorption from the digestive tract into the body. And the large intestine's purpose is to absorb nutrients from the digestive tract into the body. The digestive organ that I've chosen to describe how its structure relates to its function is the stomach. The stomach has multiple layers of muscle, which are there to help churn the food and the digestive enzymes together. The stomach also has rugae, which allows the stomach to expand to the amount of food and digestive enzymes that are in it. The stomach also has two sphincters, the pyloric sphincter and the esophageal sphincter. These sphincters help control what enters and leaves the stomach, and if all of these structures are working properly, the digestive process will go as it's supposed to. And these are the sources that I have used for my images and all of the information that I have obtained for this presentation.